This is the Galaxy A13, which I reviewed 10 months ago, and since then I actually sold this device to a close friend, not because it is a bad device, but because some of the features that aren't here that I need, which I'm already used to on other devices around this price point, are not on this device. What's up guys, it's Michael. Since my initial review of this device, a lot has changed. I'm talking in terms of price. When I initially reviewed this device, it cost 95,000 naira for the base model, which was 64GB of internal storage paired with 4GB of RAM. But as of today that I am recording this video, which is February 2023, this same model cost 149,100 naira. That is 54,100 naira added due to the current exchange rate in Nigeria and how the economy is. Like I said at the beginning of this video, there are some things missing on this device that some other budget devices within its price range has that this device doesn't have, that I miss having, which are a high refresh rate and an AMOLED display. Having used a device that has a high refresh rate, the Galaxy A13 looks like it was rushed, even though we see its elder brothers has it. And in terms of this device not coming with an AMOLED display, the TFT panel on here looks like a footage that hasn't been color graded by a filmmaker. Most of these things you won't notice if you don't care about it. Nothing has changed in the design because it has already been produced, but one thing I will let you know is that if you are using this device with a case on it, find out time, remove the device from the case and clean the rear of this device so it won't look like this within a year of usage. Also, if you are not a fan of using a case and you constantly have sweaty palms like me, then get ready for this device to fall out of your hand occasionally. If you are enjoying this video so far, a sub to the channel will be Galaxy. Earlier this year, this device got Android 13 with One UI 5 and the user experience has got a bit better. This device is one of those budget devices from Samsung that you can use for 2 to 3 years, which boast of major OS upgrade, which its peers from other brands can't boast of so. Performance is still decent, not the best for high graphics games, but you can play them at low graphics settings and low frame rate to at least have a playable game. The cameras are still not bad, they are okay, at least you can post them on Facebook and WhatsApp status. What's up guys, it's Michael. So this is the front facing camera test on the Samsung Galaxy A13. So let me know in the comment section below of what you think about the video quality. I'm currently shooting this around 6:30 p.m. so let me know what you think about the video quality. Off the selfie camera, by the way. Here is a rear camera test on the Samsung Galaxy A13. It doesn't have any form of image stabilization, either optical or electronic image stabilization. See? Yeah. Okay. Like I said in my initial review, this device comes with a 5000 mAh battery, and during my usage till now, this device is still capable of a day usage of surfing the internet, checking social media, listening to music, watching movies and so on. Even after the new OS update came, there was no drastic drop in battery usage.